Setting the assignment for servos or relays according to the broadcast datagram. Servo and relay data is mixed within a broadcast datagram. In fact, there is no extra marking which data word contains servo data and which one relay data. There is no possibility to assign this automatically. Furthermore, there is no information in the broadcast datagram which data word belongs to which node. So the node needs to know, via config, which data word in sequence is the first to be output as servo PWM data. This first relevant word in the datagram can be then assigned to one of the pins available on the node, pins 0 to 15. If the pin is not 15, subsequent words in the datagram will be assigned to the next pin, till the configured number of servos for this node is reached. This means with these three configuration data registers, num servos, servo start, and servo start pin, a node may be assigned to any data in the datagram. For relay data it is likewise, except one data word keeps all data to control a maximum of 16 relays. So num relays, relay start, and relay start pin define the relay data within the datagram. When setting the registers of the node to configure, it is important to take care not to overlap pins or to exceed the maximum pin. For example, if you're working on node 7 and your first servo shall start at pin 0, the first servo data word for the pin 0 is servo 22. This means the 23rd data word in the datagram. And you want to connect 10 servos. Then num servos for node 7 is 10. Servo start becomes 22 and servo start pin becomes 0. If you want to use the remaining 6 pins as relay outputs and the relay data is located in servo 32, then number of relays becomes 6, relay start becomes 32, and relay start pin becomes 10. Once you have set up all parameters, transfer them to the node by pressing the button Send to Node. If the transfer was successful, the node status in the database becomes confirmed. After configuration, the node is reading each broadcast datagram, extracts its data and outputs it to the servos or relays.